You can be forgiven for getting confused about the Xiaomi Mi 9 range. We seem to have the Mi 9, the Mi 9T, the Mi 9T Pro, all very confusing. Each of these phones is actually quite a bit different from each other. And today we have the Xiaomi Mi 9T, which has the Snapdragon 730 in it, and we're comparing it with the Pixel 3a XL, which has the Snapdragon 670. So which one will come in first? Let's find out. On the left hand side we have the Xiaomi Mi 9T, which has got the Snapdragon 730 in it, and the Pixel 3a XL with the Snapdragon 670. It's on the right hand side, as we saw that the Mi 9T was the first into that blur test. And now let's see which one. There we go. And now the Pixel 3 XL was able to get into the 2048 test first. So this looks like it's going to be a close competition as we work our way through these tests. Now let's just talk a little bit about the difference between these two processors. The Snapdragon 730 is an 8nm processor with two Cortex A76 derivatives, which we know as the Cryo 470 Gold, and 6 Cortex A55 derivatives, which we know as the Cryo 470 Silver. And we can see there that actually the 730 was quite a bit behind the Pixel 3a XL there, and it was last into that 3D Cube test, and now the Pixel 3a XL is already into a 2D game test, as now the Snapdragon 730 in the Mi 9T is, and already the 3a XL is into that 16 thread test. Now the Snapdragon 670 is a 10nm processor with 4 Cortex A75 cores, that's one generation behind the ones that are in the Snapdragon 730, and 4 Cortex A55 cores, which will be the same generation as what's in the Snapdragon 730, but the 730 has got the tweaked version. And as we were saying, that because of that difference between the cores, that the Mi 9T was able to get through that 16 thread test faster, and it was the first into that Unity test. Now the Snapdragon 670 is also into the Unity test, and we have here a difference of GPUs. In the left hand side we have the Adreno 618, in the right hand side we have the Adreno 615. So technically the Snapdragon 730 should get through this test much faster than the Snapdragon 670. And of course the idea of this test is it to fly through this complicated scenery, and if it can get through it quicker, it means it has a higher frame rate, and a higher frame rate means it's able to process all these details much quicker. And as we are coming down now, we can see that on the left hand side it's gone up towards the sun, and we know up to the sun, and then it comes down to that castle scene. On the right hand side it's now going to turn right, and then it will go up to the sun and down to that castle scene. But the Snapdragon 730 in the Mi 9T is clearly ahead, so it's coming right to the end of that castle scene now, right into the compression test. 1 2 3 4 5 straight away off the bat there. 6 7 8, and as we see on the right hand side it's now going to that castle scene. 9 10, there we go. 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and the clock is keeping ticking here. 25 26 27 28 29. We're now into that compression test. 1 2 3 4 5 6 33 seconds. 34 35 8. What's going to happen? 9. What's the final time going to be? 10. There we go. 2 minutes and 39.8 seconds. Okay, let's break down the times and see what happened. So overall, the Xiaomi Mi 9T came in first with 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And the Pixel 3a XL came in with 2 minutes and 39.8 seconds, almost 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Now, when you break down the CPU time, you can see there's a clear lead there by the Mi 9T with the Snapdragon 730, 36.6 seconds compared to 42.1 seconds. When you get to the mixed CPU, GPU time, 45.9, 45.4. So roughly the same there. And then again, a big difference when we get to the GPU time, 57.9 seconds for the Mi 9T, 1 minute and 12 seconds for the Pixel 3a XL. So basically the difference in the CPU time and the GPU time gave that Mi 9T a clear, definitive win over the Pixel 3a XL. My name's Gary Sims, this is SpeedTest G. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Also, don't forget we have a Twitter account, SpeedTest_G. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.